Alright, hi guys, today we're going to be giving Windows XP Gold a go. Before we actually get into it, it's just installing right now. I'm going to show you how I spoof my numbers. People are always asking me this. You can see I'm using Xlot as a soft phone here, and down here I'm SSHing into my NAS machine, which runs an Ubuntu server running Asterisk. And I'm going to show you how I spoof a number. So we were logged into the Ubuntu server. I'll just do sudo su and put in the password. And then I'll just do cd/etc/asterisk, and then we do /new_number, and we'll just have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and that's a valid number. That is what the scammer will see. And then what we're going to do is go *rx core restart now. And sometimes it does this, we just have to run it again. And there we go, it took 3 attempts, but it's worked fine. And before people start having a go at me in the comments for using gold Windows XP, you can see it does require a product key, and I will be entering a legitimate product key that's on my Dell computer, so don't start complaining that I've pirated Windows or whatever. Alright, we're going to be calling this pop-up scammer here, so let's see how this goes. It's a UK number.
Thanks for calling technical support. This is Sam. How may I help you?
Hi Sam, there's a pop-up on my computer.
Okay, what sort of pop-up you're getting on the screen, sir?
It says, warning, virus.w32.wearbath has been detected in your operating system. Please call technical support right now to remove the virus.
And so can I have your name, please, so that I can address you by your name?
Yeah, my name's Ben, B-E-N.
Ben, which operating system you're using right now? Is it Windows 10.18?
It's Windows, but I'm not sure which version of Windows it is because I'm not very good with computers.
Okay, not an issue. How old is the computer? Just give me the rough age of this computer.
Oh, probably about 5 years old now. It's pretty old.
Yes, so now in this run box you have to type H as in Henry, H as in Henry again,
Oh yeah, okay.
space H as in Henry.
HH space H, okay.
Now you'll see there is a new box on top of this box that says HTML help, right?
I see HTML help, yeah.
And there is a yellow question mark over there. Please click on the yellow question mark.
I've clicked on that, okay, and I can see a list that's dropped down.
Okay. The second last option is jump to URL, right?
Oh
Please
yeah.
click on that.
I see jump to URL, yep, okay, I've clicked on that.
745
745
210
210
750.
750, okay. It says run go to assist launcher.
Yes, please run go to assist. Click on run and run this file.
Okay. Sam has invited you to join a session.
Yes, please click yes. Thanks a lot, sir. You have done a great job. Can you see I'm
good.
moving the cursor on the screen?
Oh yeah, I see that, yeah. And this is the pop-up I was getting.
Is there any security that you have on this computer?
Yeah, I have a WAST.
AWAST, okay.
Yeah. See, the virus protection is a WAST.
Yeah, I can see that. AWAST that you have, is it a free one or a paid one?
Oh, I didn't pay for it. I just got it for free.
Then these free softwares are not going to protect your computer.
Bullshit!
Aren't they?
Just a second, let me just quickly run a diagnostic test.
Okay.
These are free softwares. They are not going to protect you from anything. They can protect you from small viruses, but not be able to protect you from all the things.
Right, okay, that doesn't sound good.
So this is a ping, like I'm just checking whether it is disconnecting or not.
Oh, okay.
You see this packet sent 28, received 28, there is a 0% loss. That
Yeah.
means that there is no issues with your internet speed, it is like it's running fine. So actually it is the issue with the computer because this computer is infected by ads. You're getting lots of advertisement on this computer because you must have clicked on something or you must have downloaded some application in this computer. Because of that application everything is messed up. So like in order to help you in this case, what exactly we have to do is first we have to clean this infection that you have in this computer.
Yeah.
After that we have to clean all the adwares because this computer is infected by ads. And this AWAST that you're using, this is of no use. It can protect you from small viruses, but it cannot protect you from all the things.
Right, okay.
You also need a better security software because this infection that you had in this computer, this can also get into your Wi-Fi and the other devices.
Oh no, that doesn't sound
All
good.
these fixes, sir, as you do banking on this computer and all the things on this computer.
Yeah, I do each
all
and
these
everything on
fixes,
here.
sir, it can take 30-35 minutes to do the fixes. There will be a one-time fee for the fixes. It's $99.99. And make sure this email is working because on this email we will be sending you the documentation. So that's your computer, that is Windows. It's an HP, it's an infection issue. This is for one-time fee. You have to choose like which card would you like to use for the payment. It will be a Visa or a Master.
It'll be a Visa card.
Okay. please type the name on the card here and the card number here. If you'll type the card number here, I'll not be able to see that because it will come up like dots. Okay.
Okay.
So please type name up here and the card number as well.
Okay, there we are.
Okay. And please click on the small box at the bottom.
Submit.
Okay. Now just give me a second. In the address line too, we have to type none.
We'll just type the same thing. That'll work.
Okay.
Thank you for providing the requested.
sir-
Can I just quickly say here, those details were fake, but it looks like a payment's gone through, although it hasn't. Any victim that would have put their details in there would have just sent them to the scammers without a payment going through just yet. You'll see later that he does try and charge the card off screen though, and that basically just gives it away because he's trying his best to seem legitimate. I'll give him that. But later on you'll see that he does just try and charge the fake credit card on his own computer.
Yes, thanks a lot. And let me do one thing now. Let me just copy my information on your screen.
Okay.
So that if in future as well you're facing any issue, you can give us a call, okay?
Alright then.
And sir, this $99.99, these are US dollars, okay?
That's fine, yeah.
Just for your information.
Okay.
Now, that's my information. That is the toll-free number, my name and extension ID. These are the working hours. And what
Okay.
I'm doing is I'm saving this information on your main screen.
On my desktop.
And sir, we will be uninstalling this AVAST because this is a free security. This
Right.
is AVG Cloud Care. The antivirus is a professional one. The one that you were using, AVAST, it was a free one. And this security is also transferable. Like if you'll get a new computer in future, then this security can be transferred to that. You just have to give us a call on our toll-free number. We'll transfer the call. We'll transfer the security on that.
Right, okay.
So please check the benefits of the security.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
And for this security, sir, if you like it, you can choose up a plan. The 1-year plan is for $89.99.
Right,
The
okay.
3-year plan is for $149.99. The 4-year plan is for $179.99.
Well, I
Any
want
plans
to
that
use this computer for the next long 3 years, so I'll go for the 3 years.
You'll go for 3 years.
Yeah.
So the total comes up to be $249.99. It's including the one-time fixes, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Now please sit back and relax, and if I need any help, I'll just call out your name, okay?
Okay then.
And sir, I'll be uninstalling this AVAST, and after installing this AVG Cloud Care, you don't have to install any other security software on the computer, okay?
Right, okay.
Now please sit back and relax, and you can grab a tea or coffee. If I need any of your help, I'll just let you know. And please don't mind my silence as I'm working on it.
This guy's done everything to try and seem legit. This guy seems more legit, but the fact that his number appears on a fake scammer pop-up, it's a fake JavaScript pop-up, and then the fact that he's just doing disk cleanup and stuff for $250, don't bother commenting saying that he's not a scammer, because you cannot do a disk cleanup and whatever, install freeware for, you know, and be legitimate for $250. That is ridiculous. He's just going to clean the temp folder,
And,
or sorry, the prefetch
just for your
folder.
information, Ben, you see what all these icons are?
Oh yeah?
You know what all these icons are? You have any idea regarding that?
I have no idea what they are.
These are all junk that you have in this computer.
Right, okay. Why is he just pinging random IP addresses? I don't know what he's playing at. Oh.
Thanks for staying online, Ben.
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry about that.
Ben, actually, the expiration date on your card, can you please reconfirm it?
Yeah, it's December 2019.
December 19, right?
Yeah, and there we go. Charging my card
And
on
please type the CVV code here, sir.
the CWE.
Yeah, the 3-digit number on the back of your card.
So we try to charge it off my screen. There we go. If you try to charge it one more time and fails, I'll do the reveal. Excuse me, the reveal. Why are you trying to grab my IP for? Why would you do that? You can't do anything with it anyway. Stop trying to grab my IP. Too scam on here, Madachud. I knew what you were doing. Trying to charge my fake card off screen. You're a scamming Madachud. This is a clean virtual machine. This is a clean virtual machine. And you told me there was viruses on it. You told me that there was infections infected with adware. No, it's a brand new clean virtual machine. And you were just trying to grab my IP address. For what reason? Terry Maki Chute scammer.